Hi guys, namaste. Hope you are doing good. I am very excited to share this haul and a project with you guys. These are the goodies from Expressions Craft. I went a little mad after the lockdown released in India, so did some shopping, and I am super happy with the products. And in this same video you will see a project I made out of these goodies. So as you can see, I ordered a lot of gel mediums and heavy gel gesso cracker paste, their sprinkle mist, and these super cute handmade flowers. They are awesome, and I am highly impressed by their mediums and their colors. I mean chalk paints. They are superb, and the best part, my favorite of all are these chipboards. And you will see I literally went mad with them and ordered so many, and I am super happy. Thank you Expressions Craft for this, and thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. It means a lot, and if you have not done yet, please do subscribe, like and comment. If you have any queries or you simply like my work, give it a thumbs up, send across your messages. Anything is good. Plus share with your friends, crafty friends, or your family members who like these kind of videos, so that will be great for me. Thank you. Hey guys, since we are done with the haul, this is the mixed media project I came up with using all the beautiful goodies I ordered from Expressions Craft. So very happy with the products. They are very good quality, especially chipboards. In this video, you will go through the step-by-step process, how I use gesso, gel mediums, chalk paints, sprinkle mist, and the chipboards. Hope you all will enjoy the video as much as I did while crafting. Do check out the photos of the project at the end of this video. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Hope to see you all in the next video. Happy crafting.